Today I'm going to tell you that how to get rid of the empty cells in the large Excel file. It is very difficult to remove each and every cell from the large files. Those are the empty cells. Actually, they cannot give you the right number of the data. So we have to get rid of them. One way is to delete them by right click and then deleting the entire row, and like this. And like here, I can delete 3 of them together by clicking the right click and then the row, and okay. But it's very lengthy process. It takes a lot of time, and it's very difficult. So what is the shortest way that we have found so far? That we'll go to find and select here the go to special, the fourth tab. You are going to select for the blanks, and you will come to know the all blank cells are here. They are hereby selected. Okay, if we select those all cells, so what we're gonna do, that we will just right click on it and we will delete them, the entire row, and like this, all the whatever, no matter how how many cells are there, so they will all be deleted. Now we have a clean sheet, and now we have the exact number of data, number of cells, the number of emails available to us, because there isn't any kind of the data that is the one with the blank cells. So hope you have liked the video. For next videos, stay tuned, and I will come up with the new features and things. Thank you very much.